In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a graded assignment in OnCampus that includes a Google assignment submission. To do that, you're just going to click on the assignment button and then give your assignment a title. Next, you want to give your assignment a description. Make sure that your description includes all the information that a student would need to complete the assignment. Because this is a graded assignment, I want to be sure and choose a type that is associated with my grade book so that the grade will be weighted. In this case, I'm going to choose classwork. And then down here under the learning tool, I want to select the Google assignment. This will allow the student to create or submit an already created Google assignment, a Google Doc or slideshow or sheet, depending on what the assignment calls for. Next, I want to be sure to put my abbreviation in for my gradebook and the maximum points available for the assignment. Finally, I can add this to multiple sections and then be sure that I choose my assign date as well as my due date and then hit save. So my assignment is listed in my classwork assignments. I can click into the Google assignment and then click the Launch Google Assignment, which gives me the opportunity to give a little more information, including adding the due date again. This is so that when the student is in the classwork course kit, they will be able to see this due date as well as in OnCampus. I can assign a rubric here as well as reiterating the instructions by editing the title and then maybe including the instructions again in my Google assignment for the student. Once I've updated that information, I can close the course kit. Now let's take a look at this from the student perspective. The student sees my Impact of Facebook on the World assignment. They can click into the assignment. They will see my instructions and know because there is a Google assignment they need to launch the Google Course Kit to complete the assignment. Here they can add files. So if they've already created their Google Doc and typed out their 2 paragraphs, they can click Add Files, and then they can grab a file from their Google Drive and attach that to the assignment. They can also create a new Google document or slideshow or sheet by clicking the Create button and then choosing which of those they want to create. If they choose to create a new document, Google will create a new document and then give it a name. They can just click on the new document, type in the paragraphs that they want to submit, and once they're complete with that, since it's already attached, they can submit. Another thing about a Google assignment is that you can submit multiple files here for this assignment. When the student's ready to submit the work, they click Submit. It's going to confirm that you have 2 attachments and these are the ones you want to submit for this assignment. The student confirms by clicking Submit. Once the work has been submitted, the student will see that they're all set and ready to go for this assignment. They can also unsubmit the work and work on it and then resubmit it up until the due date. Back in OnCampus, there's nothing indicating that the assignment is done, so the student, once completing the assignment, would want to change the status to completed. And then back on their assignment center, they would see that this was completed and that they've taken care of that. Now back in our teacher interface, we can go into the assignment. We can see the assignment roster and the grades on the left as normal. But in order to see the work that's been submitted, we'll need to launch the Google assignment. By launching the course kit, we'll see the assignments that have been submitted. We can click into that assignment and it will pull up a list of the documents that Jill submitted for her work. We can click between these documents and see the work that's been done. We can also comment on the documents. We are in suggesting mode. We have the option to go directly to editing mode, or we can remain in suggestion mode, make suggestions, or add comments to the document just like you would any other Google Doc. We can also give Jill a grade. We can add feedback. And when we're ready, we can return the assignment to Jill. Once we've returned the assignment, we can go back to our OnCampus interface. And you'll notice that the grade was automatically populated in OnCampus and in your gradebook. Back to the student side of things, once graded, the student can see their grade once they click into the assignment. They can also launch the Google Course Kit again. They'll see their grade in the Course Kit, as well as be able to click into the files and see any comments or instructions that you might have left for them within that Google Doc.